I think it's been a long time coming. I think we've deserved another win within those contests, but really pleased for the group today. You know, they battled really well, really resilient in terms of their shape, and we took the chances when we needed to take them.
I don't even think it was anything we did necessarily wrong in the first half, but yeah, you're definitely right. We didn't have that bite about us that we know that we need to compete against these type of teams. But yeah, we know we needed to get a bit more going amongst the team. And yeah, we turned it on second half. Fair play to us.
Shauna, not the results you would have wanted today.
No, it's a frustrating one, and I think we did more than enough in the game to take the 3 points, but I think it shows there if you don't take your chances and you don't put it in the back of the net, then you won't win. You don't win games, and we've been punished there for that. So it's a tough lesson to learn, but we've got to bounce back from that now.
It was a game of two halves. What did you say to them half-time?
To be honest, I just said keep going. I thought our shape was really good. When you've got a team as good as TNS, they're always going to cut you open. They're excellent. You know, the manager's done a fantastic job this year, Shauna. She's got them playing really good football, and we knew that it was going to be really difficult for us today. That it was just getting your shape right when we get the ball, being a little bit more comfortable than we were last week against Cardiff, and then taking the chances when they come. And I was really pleased because at half-time the girls understood the job that we needed to do, and they've come out and they've delivered it really well.
Even in the first half, we controlled the game and we dominated, but we only went in 1-0 up, so that was a frustrating thing for us. We knew they were going to come out fighting in the second half, so we just had to control the game better, and unfortunately we didn't do that. And then when we put on the pressure there in the last 15-20 minutes or so, and we weren't converting chances, it was then just frustration and lack of composure. So there's a lot for us to learn, and whilst I'd love to try and pick out positives for you right now, that's a tough one to take, and we just need to regroup and bounce back.
It's a bit of a strange one for us because obviously we've secured top 4, so we've already achieved what we've set out of type of thing. So yeah, it's been a difficult situation to be in terms of what spurs us on now type of thing. So we've had to have a couple of honest conversations with ourselves in terms of where we go from here. I think the main message for us in terms of the next 4 or 5 games we've got left is just carry on what we've done, really. Carry that team spirit on, you know, working hard for each other and just see what happens.